Organic chemistry is the most important topic for your A-level exam. Today I'll be reviewing alkanes. I'll put all information related in one mind map so it makes it easy for you to revise this topic. Let's start with the extraction of alkanes. You extract alkanes from crude oil by means of fractional distillation. Remember, fractional distillation relies on separating alkanes by their boiling points. Alkanes are mainly used as fuels, but you can turn them into far more useful products by means of cracking. You have two types of cracking. First, it's called thermal cracking. Thermal cracking requires 1000 degrees Celsius and it requires 70 atmospheres. With thermal cracking, you get two main products: alkanes, which is very useful for making of polymers, and you get hydrogen. That's the fuel of the future. The other type of cracking is called catalytic cracking. Catalytic cracking requires zeolite as your catalyst, and it requires way less temperature than thermal cracking, so it only requires 450 degrees Celsius. With catalytic cracking, the main product is branched hydrocarbons or branched alkanes. Now, branched alkanes are very useful as a fuel. They improve the octane number, so they make the combustion process in the engine way smoother. Just like branched alkanes, cycloalkanes are very useful, so you can turn that alkane into cycloalkanes by means of reforming. To reform alkane, you would require platinum catalyst. The main reaction of alkane and the most important part in this chapter is free radical substitution. Free radical substitution requires UV light. This is necessary to break the bond in the halogen homolytically. Homolytic bond fission is when you apply UV light on a bond like the one you have here in chlorine and you split the pair of electrons evenly between those two chlorines. As the name suggests, you're going to make free radicals of chlorines. Free radicals are highly reactive. They can react with alkanes such as methane to form halogenoalkanes. I hope that this was useful and I wish you all best of luck for your exams.